So you want to get started in real estate and you want to do it faster. Well,
if you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
Wholesaling real estate is definitely the way to go, and there's many different options. But what is wholesaling? Well, wholesaling is simply connecting sellers with buyers. That's right, it's that simple, and most people overcomplicate this process. And so what is wholesaling specifically? Well, I believe that we have the opportunity to help people out of tough situations. And what I mean by that is this. When you're wholesaling properties, you're typically dealing with houses that are under market value because they need repairs, or you're in distressed situations like divorce, death, debt, things like that, to where you have an opportunity to actually save these people's lives. And so what you're doing is you're contracting a house over here in one of these tough situations, and then you're assigning that contract, meaning you're getting a second contract with an end buyer. That end buyer's funds actually pay for the seller's cost, or for what they're asking or what you agree on. So for example, let's say you contract a house over here for $100,000. You sell the paperwork, or you assign that contract over to an end buyer for $110,000. The difference in the middle, the $10,000 right here in the middle, is what you make as what's called a wholesale assignment fee. So why wholesaling? Well, let's see. There's little to no liability. There's little to no risk. And you can make a lot of money, and you can do that very quick. So you want to get started, and you want to get started in under 30 days. Let's talk about that. So I like to use my example. When I got started, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to do. And I was watching a video just like this, and then I went to the next one. Then I went to the next one. And after 3 or 4 videos, I took action. I got started. And so that's the number one thing you want to think about. When you want to get started and you want to do it fast, you're going to have to take action. The second thing, when you want to wholesale, you want to actually spend time with homeowners. You know, there's a lot of gurus and screw-roos out there that tell you, go network with title companies, go network with buyers, go to these events, go drive for dollars. But what you'll find, and one of the biggest mistakes that you make in getting started, is that you never actually get started. And so for you to get started in under 30 days, I'm going to simply tell you this. Go to where the people are. Go to where homeowners are. Whether that's driving for dollars, which I don't recommend, because you're going to spend time driving around in circles hoping to find somebody, or cold calling. Going into Facebook groups, going to Craigslist, going to for sale by owners, looking at homes in your neighborhood that say for sale by owner on the sign in their front yard, calling those people. Whatever you do, the first thing you should do is start talking to people, going to where people are and homeowners that need to sell or want to sell their house, and having conversations. You know, I think back when I got started, the first thing that I did was just started cold calling. I started calling people that had their house on the market for sale by owner and just having conversations. And so the number one thing that you can do is have conversations with people that need to sell their house. Now, once you've started talking to those people, you're going to want to negotiate the property value. And so the second thing you're going to want to do to get started in under 30 days is start to understand the market and the market values in and around the neighborhood or demographic market that you're working with. So for example, I'm in Dallas-Fort Worth, the North Texas market. We won't go outside of that, meaning we won't go 100 miles this way or 100 miles this way. We'll stay in that pocket and really study the market. When we go into new markets like Tampa, St. Pete that we're in, or San Diego, or Atlanta, or Nashville, we study that market before we do anything for the first 2 weeks, and just looking at home values and property values. And then we start calling sellers. We start calling homeowners, because the first thing that we need to do is talk to homeowners. We need to get a contract with them before we can ever sell it to buyers. How do you find your buyers? Guess what? Your buyers will come when you have a deal that's a good deal with the homeowners, or when it's not a good deal, they'll give you the feedback that you need. So Number one rule, if you want to get started in under 30 days, go talk to people that have homes that need to sell or want to sell. I hope that helps. God bless, stay sharp, and I'll see you at the top. Peace. Hey guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other puru, screw and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So, subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.
Every single day. Every single day.